G'day, it's Jonathan Dawson here. We're here at Sound CBR in Barton and we've just received an amazing testimonial from Pete and Kate. So what we've done today, we've decided to come out and show you what we've done for them.
Sound CBR is a new practice. We're in our 8th week of being open now, so all very new. And we've just sort of tried to create a more of like a wellness space. So we've got like a range of services from physio through to psych, dietetics, and then we've got the studio side of things, so lots of pilates and yoga classes. So trying to tick all the boxes, but sort of have a nice kind of welcoming space for all of those services.
For us, it was really a no-brainer. We'd used them in the past and we'd had a really positive experience, a really good team. So I guess we knew what we were going to get. For us, the critical side of things was meeting the time frame for our fit out, and so we needed to make sure that we worked with contractors who were willing to come on that journey with us. And yeah, we just knew that Dawson Heating and Cooling were going to be the ones for us on this.
Because we have different services that we offer, it was important that we could be able to control temperatures from the treatment rooms to the studio as well. Our yogis like to have the studio pretty hot, so they like to crank it, but our Pilates instructors perhaps not so much, and so they have a bit cooler. But certainly in our treatment rooms, we just want our clients to feel comfortable, whether they're here for a massage, whether they're here for a psychology appointment, whether it's the women's health services we offer. Just being able to have that flexibility to control each room separately has been awesome.
The team at Dawson Heating and Cooling, very easy to deal with. The response to our initial inquiry was very prompt. We sort of weren't really sure what we were looking for, so we really, we're relying on their knowledge and expertise, and yeah, we're really grateful with the time and effort that they put into coming and meeting with us. They came to a couple of site visits, and they just made the whole process really quite streamlined.
So in the room we're standing in right here now, we've been able to supply a Daikin ducted system that's been able to independently control the temperature in this room alone. This is their studio where they do Pilates and yoga classes, and they can set the temperature to whatever they require for this room. So we're now here in the common area, and Pete and Kate wanted to be able to separate this room from the studio to allow the temperature control to be different. So we've got another ducted indoor unit that's actually supplying this common area, which has got its own temperature control, and it's connected all to the one VRV system. We're now here in one of the 3 consult rooms where we've had the same requirement. We need to have different temperature control in each of these rooms to suit different patients' requirements. So what we've done in here is we've actually installed, individually in each room, we've installed a ceiling cassette unit, and that allows us to set a different temperature from its own remote controller in the room and ensure everyone is comfortable within the space. So the fit out's absolutely beautiful here at Sound CBR. For any of your health and wellbeing needs, we recommend come and seeing the team here. We'll put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, have a great day.